Hello everybody, welcome back to my channel. Today's clean with me is going to be a little bit spooky. No, I'm just kidding. Today I'm going to be decorating my house because I am late to the game. I kind of feel embarrassed because everybody else has been decorating for fall and I'm over here like, Arizona is hot. Usually I decorate after my birthday, which my birthday is like the beginning of September. And Arizona, at least where I'm at, we're still in the hundreds. So how are you supposed to get into the spooky fall feeling while being in the hundreds? So a little bit of clips in here is going to be just us decorating. Now, I am not completely fall-ish type of thing. Like, to me, there's only one time of the year that you can do spooky and crazy and gory and stuff like that. And that's what my house is. My house is kind of like a mixture between fall and Halloween because I am obsessed with Halloween. Like, straight up obsessed. If you haven't seen some of my tattoos, I have all slashers tattooed on my leg. Yes, it's obsessed. So yeah, today I'm going to be decorating and clean with me. And I hope you guys enjoy. So one thing I want to explain really quick, if you're new here, hi, welcome. We are renting a place from my grandma. This is actually my grandma's vacation home, and this is all of her decorations. I do not take down her decorations. My grandma would probably kill me if I broke anything of hers, so we just kind of decorate around. So sometimes it can look a little janky, but I have to decorate. You should see, my Christmas decorations, like if this isn't good. Like, to me, I know my decorations aren't good. But my Christmas decorations, oh my God, it's like Christmas threw up in my house. So, but no, I don't take down any of her stuff. But you should see how I decorate the entire house. I'm going to show you guys come Christmas time. I'm going to decorate because me, like right after Halloween, it's straight Christmas. But yeah, so I'm just letting you know, like when you see me decorating around the house and stuff, it's because she will probably lose her mind if I take anything down and it accidentally gets broken, and no. So I just kind of decorate around all of her stuff so it looks a little funny, because if not, I would take everything down and add more stuff. Plus, we just moved out here like a year ago, so all of our actual Halloween stuff is kind of back in California, and it's just, yeah. So this isn't everything, this is just some of the things, so I kind of make do with what I can.
dysfunctional, but still inseparable. Yeah, we just never get it right. You're playing games with me and my sympathy, but not enough to say goodbye. Oh, 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 we stick together, but I know, oh, oh, it isn't for the better. No, that's just how we dance, with liquid confidence. We find each other every night. But if I were to let you go, if I would pack my bags and leave without you and be out there on my own, then I would fall into pieces, fall into pieces. Oh, 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 I would fall into pieces, fall into pieces. Oh, 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 I would fall into pieces, fall into pieces. So here we go again with silly arguments that always end up in a fight. But we can still pretend that this will never end. We just make up and let it slide. Oh, 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 we stick together, but I know, oh, oh, it isn't for the better. No, that's just how we dance, with liquid confidence. We find each other every night. But if I were to let you go, if I would pack my bags and leave without you and be out there on my own, then I would fall into pieces, fall into pieces. Oh, 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 I would fall into pieces, fall into pieces. Oh, 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 I would fall into pieces, fall into pieces. We're so dysfunctional, but still inseparable. We're never getting it right. We're never getting it right. You're playing games with me and my sympathy. Still, I won't say my goodbyes. But if I were to let you go, if I would pack my bags and leave without you and be out there on my own, then I would fall into pieces, fall into pieces. Oh, 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 I would fall into pieces, fall into pieces. Oh, 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 I would fall into pieces, fall into pieces.
I'm on the train headed back to Indiana. The rain is forming into rivers outside, writing down all the things that I miss, and in the letters you take form. No, I won't go back tonight with the habits of the restless me. I'm leaving all that stuff behind. We can start all over in our hometown, running free. It could be everything that we were chasing. I'm impatient just to see how you make everything fall into place. How you make everything fall into place. You see, you make everything. I'm the first one to get off at the station. There's something in the air that I can't place. And now I see a silhouette in the dark. It's like time has stood still. I'm gonna hold you tighter this time around. Now feeling like I need to escape. The world outside only made me numb. 'Cause I just wanna be here in our hometown, running free. It could be everything that we were chasing. I'm impatient just to see gone. But now I know in my hometown, running free, it could be everything that we were chasing. I'm impatient just to see.
I swear my candle room is always a mess, and it's just because I'm constantly making new and new candles. Like, I haven't even done, like right here, I'm actually about to make a video for you guys, and it's on how to make soy candles. So it's been insane. Like, if you were to look at that desk right there, I have, the entire thing is covered. It's just waiting for the candles to set. So my candle room is always a mess. But yes, this is going to be the end of the video. I hope you guys enjoyed. I hope you guys are getting into the fall spirit, and I can't wait to put up more videos for you guys. So that's going to be it for this video. I hope you guys enjoyed. If you liked it, please give me a big thumbs up, and don't forget to subscribe if you guys haven't already. And I'll be seeing you very soon in my next video. Thanks for watching. Bye, guys.